Setting the industry benchmark for capability, comfort, and confidence, Yamaha's new 2025 Wolverine RMAX2 1000 and RMAX4 1000 compact models boast a range of key updates aimed at maximizing your adventure. New spring rates and damping settings provide next-level comfort and feel. New calipers, pad material, brake lines, and mounting knuckles provide enhanced performance and quieter operation. Now with quicker locking engagement and disengagement on the front differential, along with an all-new turf mode with rear unlocking differential. A new EPS system provides a 62.5% increase in output for enhanced steering assist in a range of conditions. The all-new Adventure Pro system offers increased functionality and a new full-color 7-inch display. The Adventure Pro is loaded with features including navigation compatibility, phone and audio controls, GPS mapping and pin-lockable geofencing, drive mode screen, customizable home screen, and a rear-view camera accessory option. An all-new rear-view camera is automatically displayed on the Adventure Pro when shifted in reverse or manually selected by the user. The new premium MTX audio system provides deeper bass and clearer vocals from larger factory-mounted speakers. An all-new full-color automotive-quality 4.3-inch TFT screen features customizable layouts and function displays. Higher spec, improved comfort, and more capable than ever, Yamaha's benchmark-setting 2025 Wolverine RMAX2 1000 and RMAX4 1000 compact models are ready to take your off-road adventures to the next level.